Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 5 needs to have three key features that would make it an instant buy for me. As Samsung unveils its newest flip phone, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 at the upcoming Unpacked event, I'm hopeful that they address the shortcomings of its predecessor and make it the most competitive foldable phone yet. One of the crucial improvements I'm looking for is a larger and more useful outer display. While the external screen on the Z Flip 4 was impressive for basic functions like texting and calling without opening the phone, the 1.9-inch size was too limiting. In practice, I found myself using the larger inner display most of the time. To truly enhance productivity and energy efficiency, the external screen should be significantly larger, as demonstrated by phones like the recent Motorola Razr Plus. Another important aspect is achieving a Gapless design or at least an improved IP dust rating. Foldable phones are known for their compactness, but to fully realize the portability, the Z Flip 5 should close completely shut when folded. The Z Flip 4 had a slight gap between the halves of the display, which raised concerns about durability and the entry of dust and particles. A Gapless design or an improved IP dust rating would be ideal to address this issue. Lastly, faster charging is essential, especially for content creators and power users who rely heavily on their smartphones for media consumption and creative tasks. The Z Flip 4's battery was decent but fell short compared to other Samsung phones. To cater to content creators who are constantly recording, editing, and exporting videos, a more powerful and longer-lasting battery with faster charging capabilities would be a significant improvement for the Z Flip 5. In conclusion, these three features, larger outer display, Gapless design or better IP dust rating, and faster charging, are essential for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 to become a compelling choice for me and many other potential buyers. By addressing these areas, Samsung can make the Z Flip 5 a top-tier foldable phone, setting new standards in the market. I'm eagerly looking forward to the Unpacked event and hope that Samsung incorporates these improvements into their latest offering. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and until the next video, peace out.